Welcome to the captivating world of photography. Understanding fundamentals is key to stunning images. Start with the exposure triangle: aperture, shutter speed, and ISO. Aperture controls depth of field, determining image focus. Wider aperture blurs background, great for portraits. Narrower aperture sharpens scene, ideal for landscapes. Shutter speed affects light exposure duration. Fast speeds freeze motion, ensuring crisp images. Slow speeds introduce blur, useful in low light. ISO measures sensors' light sensitivity. Lower ISO for cleaner images, needs more light. Higher ISO for darker environments, increases grain. Composition arranges elements in your frame. The rule of thirds divides your frame into 9 parts. Placing subjects on lines enhances balance and engagement. Leading lines guide viewer's eye, adding depth. Natural framing adds context and focus. Lighting is crucial. Natural light is versatile. Golden hour provides flattering soft, warm light. Overcast days offer diffused light, reducing shadows. Consider artificial light's direction, intensity, and color. Experiment with lighting for mood and impact. Explore camera settings for manual control. Aperture and shutter priority for specific adjustments. Practice experimenting with settings and compositions. Review images critically for improvement. Photography is a technical skill, an art form. Comfort with technology unleashes creativity. Capture moments telling stories and showcasing beauty. Thank you for exploring this photography guide. Practice, stay curious, and enjoy capturing the world.